Why is your recycling truck at risk of catching fire tonight? And why do small plastic sticks with bright colors and sweet flavors end up shutting down entire recycling facilities? The answer is not what you expect. It is not about smoking, it's not about health warnings, it is about fire. Real, destructive fire caused by vape waste. Every single week in the United Kingdom, millions of disposable vapes are thrown away, not recycled, not collected properly, just dropped into household bins. Inside each one of them is a small lithium battery. When crushed in a rubbish truck or compacted at a recycling site, that tiny battery can spark. Sparks can become flames, and flames turn into full fires. Here is the real question. Why does this keep happening even though single-use vapes have already been banned for sale? Truth is simple. The ban has not stopped the waste. People still buy stockpiled products, still throw them away, and waste systems are left to deal with that danger. You might think one vape is nothing. It is small, it is light, it is disposable. That is wrong. One single vape can destroy an entire truck. It can shut down a materials recovery facility, it can put workers in danger, and multiply one by millions, and you can see why the industry is calling this an epidemic. However, some councils are starting to act. For example, Oxfordshire launched bright pink vape bins across the region. More than 80,000 vapes were collected in the first year, double what was expected. These schemes prove people are willing to recycle if there is a simple way to do it. But, however, this is still an exception and not the rule. So what can you do right now? First, never put vape in a normal bin. Treat it like a battery or a small electronic device. Take it to a proper collection point if your local council offers one. If you see a scheme in your area, use it. Share the scheme with your friends so that the more devices are captured, the fewer fires we face. If this breakdown helped you understand the vape waste crisis, share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe so you do not miss the next breakdown on the recycling issues that affects us all. Thank you.